everyone, and thanks for watching today's episode of what's in my AliExpress basket. Today I have found some absolutely stunning trims. Oh my gosh, you wait till you see these. I will be just putting one link to this seller's shop because they're all from one seller, just to make life a bit easier. So the first thing we have in the basket are these pearl 3D chiffon flowers. You get 10 pieces for £1.31, and they come in a couple of different colours and just absolutely beautiful. Then we have these, oh, what am I missing? Daisy tassels. No, we're not there yet. These are just still the chiffon flowers. I'm so sorry. We haven't got there yet. We have daisy tassels, 10 pieces, 96 pence. And these are super, super cute and would be fun for any journal, wouldn't they? Oh, they'd be just adorable. And you get the 10 pieces there of that. Of those, I should say. Then we have these 5 times mesh lace flowers, so you get 5 pieces for 80 pence. So these really are pocket money embellishments again, and these are just super, super cute for any project really. I mean, I'm getting them for journals because I just think that they make them so, so beautiful. And oh my gosh, you just couldn't get them for that price here in the UK. Then we have 1 yard of butterfly knot lace trim, £1.66 for a yard. And so, so pretty. Absolutely gorgeous. And we love butterflies, but it's a butterfly on a bow. Right, next up are pink pearl flowers. You get 10 pieces for £1.01. So imagine how much you would get for £10, really. You could get a whole lot of embellishments for your journals. Very, very pretty. Then we have 12 times rose pearl flowers, and they are £2.52, but the huge, look. They are a really, really lovely size. So that would, be a great big, focal piece for your journals. Then there are these 20 pink rose swirly flowers, and they are £2 and, hang on, no, yeah, 12 times rose pearl flowers, £2.52. I don't know if we've missed one. Have I missed one? Yes, I have. Right, don't worry. They are in the link in the description. This one is 1 yard of white flower chiffon pearl roses, and they are £1.95. And look at these, how much they tassel and dangle, and gorgeous, gorgeous. Right, 1 yard of 3D chiffon flowers in 4 colours, £2.82. So you've got 4 colours to choose from. Trying to cram so much in this video today, and I love the way it's got the ribbons as well. And this one I have used on a journal recently. 1 yard of pink chiffon 3D flowers, £1.96. So if you saw my de-stash journal video, I actually used some of that I'd had before, so I need to order some more because it really is lovely. Excuse me. Then we have 1 yard of 3D diamond butterflies, £1.97. And they're very elegant and delicate and a bit blingy as well. So they are yummy. A lot of these do have like diamantes or pearls. These are 10 times 3D diamond French lace flowers, £1.03. And they're quite big as well, they're not diddy. I have another butterfly trim now. This is a pearl butterfly lace trim, £1.45. Again, very delicate and super, super gorgeous. Just gorgeous. Look at them. I have tried to find you the most wonderful trims today. Then we have pearl beaded trim 1 yard for £1.93. I have used this on a couple of projects and I've used all mine up, so I've ordered some more because I liked it so much. Okay, then we have 5 pieces mesh flowers, £1.13. So, you know, if you're just wanting a bit of variety and a few bits of pieces and different assortment, these are definitely worthwhile getting. Trust me, and I'm losing my voice. Right, 1 yard of rose flower lace trim, £2.11. Very pretty. I think it's like a creamy off-white colour. This other photo, they look a bit darker, but I think they are quite a creamy colour. They're just beautiful. Then we have these various flower trims, £1.66 to £2.22 for a yard. So there are 5 different varieties there. And this next one is super yummy. Look at this. 5 cotton rose flowers with the sort of little dangle bit. And they are 80p. 80p. One of my absolute favourites is coming up in a minute after this one. I do like this one actually. And this, you would only need one on the front of a journal. God, look at this centipede pearl lace. 1 yard of centipede pearl lace trim. £2.94. Look at that. Oh my gosh, that would just be so... Oh my gosh, OTT on a journal, but oh my gosh, wouldn't it be fabulous? And look how wide it is. Excuse me. Then we have these pearl flower leaves trim. You get 18 pieces. 18. That's a lot for £2.15. And they've got the pearls going down them and the roses and the leaves. They kind of look like angels. Look at this fun one. This is, I have a couple of pom-pom trims. This is, you get 10 of the pom-poms. So you get 10 times pom-pom trim, £1.86. So you'd get a piece that has 10 pieces on. I don't know how long that is, but look how fun that is. Just looks like little bunny tails. Then we have a yard of sequin ribbon flowers, £2.15. A lot of these have little tassely bits. Oh, just loving them. I cannot wait. And because it's all coming from one seller, they'll all come together. That's what I love. Then we have 1 yard of 3D diamond daisies, £2.17. So if it's bling that you are looking for, then these are very blingy. Lots and lots of diamante blingy bling. Lots of bling. So yeah, I love it when you get a package and it's just all from one seller because you don't have to wait for all your bits. These are 5 times rose flowers for 69p. 69p. 69p, that's nothing, is it? Nothing. And then we have 1 yard of chiffon flower leaf trim. Again, look how beautiful. £2.65. For a yard of this, so you do get quite a lot. And then we have 1 yard of this blossom flower trim, again £2.65. Look at it, it is just stunning. Oh my gosh, it's huge, that one as well. Right, 1 yard of rose pearl trim, £1.93. I told you I was going to jam pack this with so many yummy things. This seller has, oh my gosh, such fantastic trims, and I cannot believe the price of them. Probably one of the, most expensive that I've found. Then we have some vintage Victorian trims. You get 1 yard. There are 7 to choose from, £1.12. And then we have another 4 different types to choose from. You get 2 yards of this one for £1.61. So the first one you only get a yard, this one you get 2 yards, and there are a couple there to choose from. Just beautiful. So if you're not looking for lacy, you're looking for something different, they are wonderful. Then we have these wide pearl rose flowers. You get 5 pieces for 88p. 88p. Tell me where you could get them for that price. You just can't. You just can't. Trust me. I nearly fainted in my haberdashery. I really did. I was like, what? What? Okay, now we have 20 times 3D rhinestone flowers. £1.68 for 20. So again, these are very pretty. A little bit of colour in there as well. Oh, we have another pom-pom one coming up. This one, a pom-pom and flowers, and you get 10 pieces for £2.15. So you've got leaves, pom-poms, and a little rose in that. They're just so cute. Little bunny tail trim. Gorgeous. Oh, you wait till you see this one. These ones are massive. You get 5 very large mesh cotton flowers for £1.33. 10 centimeters in diameter. So they are huge. George. Just look how absolutely stunning they are. Then we have 2 yards of vintage shell pattern lace trims. There's a couple to choose from, £1.03 to £1.20. And then the last thing in my basket, you get 20 pieces of these 3D rose flowers for £2.17. So don't forget, I will put the link to this seller's shop. It's just because I've tried to put so many things into this basket that having to do the links individually is a pain. But if you do get stuck on finding any of these, just let me know and I'll help you out. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I will be back very soon for another episode. So take care, everyone, and I hope you're having a wonderful, wonderful day. I'm going to go now as I'm losing my voice. Love you guys loads and loads and loads. Take care. Bye-bye.